The next step is to install Android Studio. We will need Android Studio to run the simulator to simulate the Android cell phone in this case. And the Android Studio is available for Windows and also for Mac OS. So depending on your laptop or machine, you can just come to this website and with all rights, you can click on download and install the package that comes with it. After this, we will see how to run the simulator in this case. Now that the Android Studio is installed, we can open it and we will be greeted with this window. So now here, we will go to configure and we will configure our Sdk Manager. So here, we can install the type of Android we want. As you can see here, Android 11.0 is already installed for me. So it should be installed when you install the Android Studio. So if it is not installed, that's fine. So now to install a simulator, we can come here again to the greeting window and go to AVD Manager and just create a virtual device we want. So here you can select whichever simulator you want and just go on clicking next, and you have to download the system image for the simulator and then click on next. So this all process I have done. So after completing the process, you will be getting your simulator here. So here, just launch this AVD in the emulator. So we already have a little device here, so we just need to play our beautiful applications in this device. So as you can see, our Android device has started and we can run our applications in this device. So here run on now here if you click on run on Android device emulator, it runs on the Android device. So as you can see here, it is attempting to open a simulator. So it takes some time to open or to install and to open all our JavaScript bundle. So and we see here that is installing experts on this device. So this will be installing an expert in the background after that. So you can see it is installing the Expo Go on the device, which I just mentioned before. So after some time, it will open our application. The first time always takes a time to build, but then it will be faster. So next time we start building our React Native application, it will be very fast. Oh yeah, this is a small indicator which is telling we have just installed Expo Go. This is for Mac users. So first we need to install Xcode. So Xcode, the developer environment that can emulate iPhone in this. So in this case, we can run iOS device. So for that, we can come to the App Store and search for Xcode in it. So we have to install this Xcode. As I've already done, I'm just showing you how to install Xcode. So after the installation is done, you can after the installation is done, you can just click on run on iOS simulator and it attempts to open a simulator. So it takes a moment to open the simulator. Oh yeah, the simulator started. So this is the simulator and here, so in the meanwhile when the simulator just gets started, we can also create a new simulator in this, like we can give the device type, whichever device we want, and the OS version, and we can also give the simulator name as well. So we can create this and we can use that. So we also have edit option and we can also restart the device or erase all the content like as our original iPhone as. So these are the options which we have. So for the first time it takes some time for but later it gets faster. So it's building its JavaScript bundle and the project is open. So this is how you open in iOS simulator. Last but not the least, we have to download Visual Studio Code for writing our code and experimenting on it. So go to Google and type Visual Studio Code and go for a Google search. The first link, which shows download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, and Windows, click on that. This is free and available on any platform. So here we get uh, for the desired platform like Windows, Mac, and Linux. So this is Mac, so I'll be downloading it for Mac, and you download it for your preferred one. So I'll be downloading it now. So once you download, you will be greeted with a message. Thanks for downloading VS Code for Mac. So my download has been started and let's see. Yeah, once the download is done, please click on the zip folder, open. So this is how you download Visual Studio Code.